I have a secret that I think is a secret that I didn't know about. I've had GMs for years and years and years, and now I've learned about this. I literally saved over $1,000 on a single product. So stick around. We're going to dive into this and show you how you can build out your truck, save thousands of dollars, not void your warranty, and do everything you ever dreamed of for less dollars.
So check this out. We are on GMC's homepage here. Make this full screen. So where you're going to want to go to look at this area to save some money. So it's in the accessories section. So before y'all get too excited that it's GM accessories, not aftermarket, but hang with me for a minute and I'm going to show you something pretty neat. So I'm going to go ahead and add my truck, which is the 2024 Sierra 1500. So the benefit to this is that you keep your warranty. And with, what was it, 2022, 23? There's so much going on, so many electronics, so many problems that come up. And these are great trucks. I really like this truck. But you just, man, it's a hard pill to swallow. Cognito is on the list, their suspension system, and you know where I'm going with this. So anyways, suspension upgrades, this works for any of the categories. I'm just going to show you this specifically because this is what I was looking at. So this is back ordered, which is why I don't have it right now. So here's what happens when you click on a part, whether it's a bed cover or anything else. This one in particular, the price is $1,500 to lift your truck 2 inches like an AT4. Anyways, it's a 2-inch lift kit from the factory. So when you go to check out, you have the option to ship to a dealership and have it installed. So this is your labor price right here, $839 for this specific dealership. This is not the dealership I use. This is just it auto thought that I was on that part of town, which I am not. So here's where you start saving money. So one, obviously look for discount coupons. There's always a 10 to 15 to 20% off anything on this website. So obviously take care of that. But switch the dealership and watch what happens. So right now it thinks I want South San Antonio, and let's just let's switch the zip code here to, let's search here in 78232, and we're going to switch it to, say, another Cavender dealership. So if you select this, you can't see it there. You have to actually select it and then scroll down. Now it's actually gone up to $959. Now this is the dealership I actually use, and I love this dealership. They take care of me. They put me in an Uber. They give me a loaner car for oil changes. They just take care of you. The longer you go there, the better it is. So $959, which is ridiculous to put this on. So I would not be using that dealership. But then I realized I didn't know this until I was like, well, what other dealership can we go to? And let me switch over to the dealership that I found, which is a wild difference. So we're going to go to Luling, which is a ways out of San Antonio. But check this out. So same price. This is always the same. That's the catalog. That doesn't change. You just have to apply a general discount to get that cheaper. $330. That's cheaper than a lot of people charge to put on a leveling kit for you at a dealership. And this is front and rear, new axles, whatever. It's not that great of a suspension system. This is really expensive. But I added a 15% off plus $330. And then on top of that, you add your GM reward points, which if you haven't signed up for that and you have a GM product, sign up for it, because that took another $150 off for me for the dollars I had spent at the dealership. So this basically went away and I paid a little bit less than the price of this product, and it's going to be installed. So it was like getting the product on a sale, which it was, and then put on for free. So if you're going to order anything, it doesn't have to be suspension. It could be bed covers or the subsystem or an air intake or whatever you're looking at. Anything that needs installing through GM, you got to pick a different dealership. Check it out. Go look at one that's 50 miles away, maybe out of town, that's not as busy. You have a great opportunity to save money. And also, if you're looking at wheels and tires, obviously we've got the partnership with Tire Rack. I've got that link down below. It's our affiliate partner for the channel. So if you want some aftermarket wheels and tires, go and hit that up. We'll be using them for the wheels and tires once the lift kit actually comes in, because it's back ordered, and that's where we're at. So that's I know, realize it's a dealership deal, but it is still a pretty significant deal. Take advantage of it. We're going to be having aftermarket parts, as we always do on this channel, but this is one way that at 2,000 miles on the truck, we can keep the warranty, make sure we find the gremlins, and work that stuff out, and still add larger tires in the meantime. And a little more suspension stuff beyond just that kit is on its way too. So
if you found today's video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps the channel out. Hit subscribe if you're really interested, and hopefully this was helpful for y'all. I know it would have been helpful for me if I knew this a few years ago. Lots more content to come on this truck right here. Wheels, tires, lifts. We've got some work to do. It's we're 4 mods in to a whole bunch. So make sure you stick around. More to come. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a good one. Peace.